Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Claude Code in your computer in a very simple way. Here we can see we right now into the website how to set up Claude Code, and here you can see there is some system requirement. In your computer, if you download it or install Node.js, then you can simply recheck by simply search as cmd run as administrator, and from here you can simply type node space dash v, click enter, and you can see that it's showing version 24.12.0. So I rightly download and install Node.js in my computer. And if you don't know how to download install, you can simply create a new tab and simply search here Node.js and simply click enter. Then you're going to get this website called nodejs.org. If you click on the Node.js, you can simply get the option called get Node.js. If you click on that, then you're going to select your operating system from here. And if you select the operating system and the architecture value, then you will going to get the zip or MSI download option over here. You can see, click on them, the download will be started and simply install. If you really need to know how you can simply do this, I have made a video. You can simply watch it. It will going to come over into the upper right side with the I button, and then we're going to move forward to the setup Claude Code. So now here what we're going to do, we're going to click on this npm. After click on npm, we're going to get this code over here. You can see called npm install -g @anthropic -ai/claude.code. So here what you're going to do, we are going to copy this code over here, and then we're going to open the cmd prompt. You can see here is a cmd prompt, and now we're going to paste the code over here and simply click enter. After that, you can see there is the loading, and as you can see that we rightly installed it or download it, but you can see there is another option for if you want to update because new minor version of npm available. For that, you can simply copy this by simply press in your keyboard Ctrl+C. It will going to be copy, and then paste here Ctrl+V. You can see, click enter, and it will right now update with the latest version over here. And right now we can see that it's added one package in 5 seconds, and 16 packages are looking for funding. Run npm fund for details. So you don't need to run it. You get the Claude Code in your computer. So now we're going to close it and simply open this PC and go for any drive. I will going to go for new volume. Click on the right mouse button, click a new folder. And if I just type here Claude, and if I just make it maximize it by simply click on extra large icon. So here is our Claude. So if I just click on it and simply come over into the search here and simply type here cmd and click enter, it will going to open the cmd prompt into this location. And after that, what we're going to do, we're going to type here Claude and simply click enter, and you will going to get the Claude Code on Windows requires git bash if installed but not in path, set environment variable pointing to your bash.exe. Similar to Claude Code, git bash path C program files git bin bash.exe. So you get it that I didn't download the git for my computer. If you didn't, then simply follow my step, click on the browser and then simply search here git. Click enter, and you're going to get this first website. Click on that, and here you're going to get install for Windows. If you click on that, then you're going to select the Windows and select your Windows architecture setup. So I am using x64, that's why I'm going to click on git for Windows x4 setup. Click on that, and you can see the exe file has been downloading. After taking a little bit of time, you can see the exe file is actually downloaded. So now if you click on it 2 times install, and it will going to show you the git setup. So click next right now, next another time, click yes, and select all of them, and select check the daily git Windows update and the add to git bash profile to Windows terminal. Set everything like this, and simply click next and next and next and next, and select the use git from git bash. Select this git from the command line, also from third-party software. Click next, next another time, and next another time, next, and install. After complete the installation, we can simply click on finish right now. Type here cmd, run as administrator, and simply type here Claude and click enter. And you can see right now the Claude is showing over here. You can see welcome to Claude Code version 2.0.76. We come over into welcome to Claude Code. This is how we can simply download and install Claude Code in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.